Are you looking for a simple yet powerful way to boost your health and well-being? Have you ever considered the remarkable benefits of adding cinnamon tea to your daily routine? If not, you're in for a treat. Cinnamon tea isn't just a flavorful beverage, it's also a potent healing remedy that has been cherished for centuries in various cultures around the world. In this video, we'll explore 6 compelling reasons why you should make cinnamon tea a part of your daily ritual. From its antioxidant properties to its ability to support heart health, cinnamon tea offers a wide array of impressive benefits that can enhance your overall quality of life. But that's not all. We'll also discuss how cinnamon tea can help regulate blood sugar levels, boost immune function, support digestive health, and even enhance brain function. Whether you're looking to improve your health or simply enjoy a soothing and delicious beverage, cinnamon tea has something to offer for everyone. So, grab your favorite mug, sit back, and let's uncover the incredible healing potential of cinnamon tea together. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and natural remedies that you won't want to miss. Reason 1. Powerful antioxidant properties. Cinnamon tea is packed with antioxidants, making it a potent weapon against oxidative stress in the body. Antioxidants are essential for combating free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. Cinnamon contains compounds like polyphenols and flavonoids, which have been shown to neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation. By regularly consuming cinnamon tea, you can help protect your cells from oxidative damage and lower your risk of chronic conditions such as heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. Additionally, the antioxidant properties of cinnamon tea may also help support healthy skin, improve immune function, and promote overall well-being. Incorporating this delicious beverage into your daily routine is an easy and effective way to boost your antioxidant intake and support optimal health. Reason 2. Supports blood sugar management. Cinnamon tea offers significant benefits for blood sugar control, making it an excellent choice for individuals looking to manage their glucose levels. Studies have shown that cinnamon contains compounds that mimic the effects of insulin, the hormone responsible for transporting sugar from the bloodstream into cells for energy. By enhancing insulin sensitivity and improving glucose uptake, cinnamon tea can help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent spikes and crashes throughout the day. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. Additionally, cinnamon tea may also slow down the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive tract, further stabilizing blood sugar levels after meals. Incorporating cinnamon tea into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective strategy for supporting overall metabolic health and reducing the risk of diabetes-related complications. Reason 3. Promotes heart health. Cinnamon tea boasts properties that can benefit cardiovascular health, making it a valuable addition to your daily routine. Research suggests that cinnamon may help lower levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, which can contribute to the development of heart disease. Additionally, cinnamon contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects and can help reduce inflammation in the body, including inflammation in the arteries. By lowering cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation, cinnamon tea may help improve overall heart function and reduce the risk of heart disease. Furthermore, cinnamon's antioxidant properties may also play a role in protecting heart health by combating oxidative stress and preventing damage to blood vessels. Incorporating cinnamon tea into your lifestyle can be a simple yet effective way to support a healthy heart and reduce the risk of cardiovascular complications. Reason 4. Boosts immune function. Cinnamon tea is renowned for its immune-boosting properties, making it an excellent choice for supporting overall health and well-being. Loaded with antioxidants and antimicrobial compounds, cinnamon helps the body fight off infections and pathogens. These compounds work to strengthen the immune system by neutralizing harmful free radicals and preventing oxidative stress. Additionally, cinnamon has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects, which can further support immune function by reducing inflammation in the body. By incorporating cinnamon tea into your daily routine, you can give your immune system the extra support it needs to stay strong and resilient. Reason 5. Supports digestive health. Cinnamon tea offers significant benefits for digestive health. It contains compounds like cinnamaldehyde and catechins, known for their anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. These compounds can help alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion by reducing inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract and combating harmful bacteria. Additionally, cinnamon tea may promote healthy digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes, which aids in breaking down food more efficiently. Regular consumption of cinnamon tea can soothe the digestive system, alleviate discomfort, and promote overall digestive wellness. Incorporating this healing remedy into your daily routine can contribute to a healthier gut and smoother digestion. Reason 6. Enhances brain function. Cinnamon tea isn't just delicious, it's also a brain-boosting elixir. Rich in antioxidants, it helps protect brain cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals, which may contribute to cognitive decline. Studies suggest that cinnamon may improve cognitive function, memory, and concentration by enhancing blood flow to the brain and activating certain neurotransmitters involved in learning and memory. Additionally, cinnamon contains compounds that may help prevent the accumulation of tau proteins and beta amyloid plaques, which are linked to Alzheimer's disease and age-related cognitive decline. By incorporating cinnamon tea into your daily routine, you can nourish your brain, support mental clarity, and promote long-term brain health. Cinnamon tea emerges as a remarkable healing remedy, offering an array of health benefits that can positively impact your overall well-being. From its potent antioxidant properties to its support for heart health, blood sugar management, immune function, digestive health, and brain function, this ancient elixir deserves a place in your daily routine. Are you ready to experience the impressive healing powers of cinnamon tea? Start incorporating it into your daily regimen today and reap the rewards of its nourishing properties. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on natural remedies, wellness tips, and healthy living hacks. By joining our community, you'll stay updated on the latest health trends and discover new ways to enhance your vitality and vitality. Cheers to your health and happiness.